So here is our failed pottery wheel. We're going to do the Mark II version. The first thing I have to do is take this wheel off, and you can see the hole that fitted on here. So I've got to get a thinner branch that has a hole this size that will fit on here, and then this screw will hold it on. I think it's exactly the right size and shape. Yeah, now that'll screw in. I think I'm going to get a slightly shorter bolt than this one. So that's going in, and that's going to hold this and prevent it from spinning off. So here is our potter's wheel, take number 2. Let me show you how it's supposed to work. This turns, it's like a pulley, and I'm going to put a wheel in here. So this was a tin twice the size, but I cut it all the way down the middle, and then I put the two ends together. I put a nut and a washer there. Then this is going to go into this hole, and it's going to rotate on that through there, and then let's hammer this in. So now we're going to put an elastic band around here, and like that, and I'm going to plug it in and see how and if it turns. So when I push on this foot pedal, oh wow! Water to make it so our potter's wheel seems to be working. So what have we got? We've got, here is a pulley that turned. Here is a piece of wood that we lathed into a pulley. This is a pickle tin that was twice the size, which I squashed the two halves together. These are elastic bands around it. We have a foot pedal that switches it on and off, so we have our hands free, we can switch it on and off. And there's like our first attempt at some clay making, and it seems to be working perfectly fine.